Welcome to Ultimate DIYer. Today we're going to do a quick review on the ASICS Gel 7 men's running shoe. So if we're looking at these shoes, they're really well made. Now these are the ones I have been wearing. I put these on probably about a week ago and have worn out several pair already. But if you look at it, it actually has the netting built in so it keeps your foot cooler. The glue on these are really good, and everything is cushioned with the gel. Not only is the bottom of this gel, but if you reach inside here and you push down in the center, you've got a gel for the bottom of your foot as well. The strings hold up great. I've never had to replace any of the actual string on them. The whole thing is just constructed really good. The gripping, if you're worried about grip, it grips really well. So if you're going to buy these and even work in, say, a restaurant or something like that, and you need a black shoe, these grip extremely well as well. So if I was going to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 5, I would definitely give it a 5 because it holds up extremely well. Lightweight, very comfortable. If you do construction, if you do DIY, or if you're a runner or you just want a great casual shoe, you can't go wrong with this shoe. So do yourself a favor and pick you up a pair today. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.